me see here. I gotta show you something. It's an amazing discovery. I was out here, as you know, I'm clearing these trees here to make this undisclosed description. I'm not telling you what it is. Probably just gonna be a hill, if you really want to know. But I want to get the rocks out of there, these trees, so you can sled all the way down. I'm on a mission from God. And then over here, I was actually getting some stuff I could burn, because anything you cut down new is going to take at least a year to season. So there's plenty of stuff out here that I can get to just, you know, widow makers and leaners. But what I thought was amazing, I was over here looking around. We got some giant woodpeckers out here, like giant. And if you've ever seen a woodpecker dig into a tree, there's the sap. But look at this. Are you kidding me? So this is the tree. It's massive. And here's the woodpecker damage. Looks like he went all the way almost in here, all the way through. At least 3/4 through. View in there. It's hard to see, isn't it? Yeah, well, I think you get the idea. That's some giant woodpeckers. You gotta watch your footing out here. Everything is a tripping hazard. Yeah. I think that's my property line. I have plenty of dead stuff out here for wood. We're gonna cut that one down next. This hollow one right here. That thing will be like gold in the fireplace. Signing off, MBT show.